Ever notice how some people leap out of bed fully charged, while others drag themselves awake no matter how much they sleep? The secret might lie in specific plants that work on your blood sugar overnight. Believe it or not, you probably have a few in your kitchen right now, but maybe you're using them the wrong way. In today's video, we'll explore 10 powerful plants that quietly help balance glucose levels overnight. If you enjoy practical health tips, tap the like button and subscribe. Now let's dive in. 1. Ginger. Fresh ginger has potent compounds that help lower sugar spikes after meals. It even reduces inflammation so your insulin can do its job better. 2. Ceylon Cinnamon. Unlike the more common cassia variety, Ceylon Cinnamon helps your cells respond to insulin and may lower bad cholesterol as a bonus. A small daily dose, around 3 grams, can make a real difference. 3. Fenugreek. Fenugreek seeds pack an amino acid that boosts insulin release and slows sugar absorption. Soaking the seeds overnight makes them more effective. 4. Psyllium. Psyllium forms a gel in your digestive tract to slow how fast carbs hit your bloodstream, especially useful at night. Even a few grams before meals can help curb post-meal sugar spikes. 5. Berberine. Found in plants like barberry, berberine activates an enzyme that helps muscles soak up more sugar. Studies show 500 milligrams 3 times a day is comparable to some diabetes meds. Consistency is key. 6. Gymnema Sylvestre. Gymnema's active acids can block sugar absorption and even dull sweet cravings temporarily. It also helps protect the insulin-making cells in your pancreas. 7. Garlic. Crush or chop it, wait a few minutes for its sulfur compounds to form, and garlic can improve insulin sensitivity while protecting your blood vessels from sugar damage. 8. Guava. Guava leaves contain flavonoids that help keep your insulin response steady. Guava leaf tea has been linked to notably lower post-meal sugar levels. 9. Aloe Vera. The gel in aloe vera stimulates insulin production and reduces inflammation. For the best results, take aloe vera supplements about 30 minutes before meals. 10. Turmeric. Curcumin and other components lower inflammation and improve how your body handles insulin. A pinch of black pepper boosts its absorption, giving you more bang for your buck. Each plant helps in unique ways, but consistent use is what truly matters. Have you ever tried any of these plants? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more health tips.